Good morning, students. Class 9th. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today, I am going to teach your English grammar. Topic is voice, and this is its part first. Just care here. Voice means in Hindi, voice means watch, and watch means vakya, and vakya means sentence. Take care here. You can create a sentence in two ways: by giving importance of subject and by giving importance of object also. At the time when you write your sentence on the basis of subject, that is called active voice, and when verb of the sentence is used according to the object, it is known as in passive voice. Just write down what is voice. What is voice? Write down here definition of voice: the way of expressing ideas is known as voice. Now we can express our ideas in two ways. Just I write a letter, and a letter is written by me, and both gives same sense. But in this sentence, verb has been used according to the subject, and in this sentence, verb of the sentence has been used according to the object. So you have to take care here that when verb is used according to object, it is known as passive, and if you use verb according to subject, then it is known as in active voice. So write down here, there are two ways of expressing our ideas. First, active voice, and the second, passive voice. Now know what is active voice. What is active voice? When we use the verb of the sentence according to the number and person of the subject, it is known in active voice. As we write a letter, he writes a letter. Take care difference. Here subject is plural. That's why verb is also plural. Here subject is singular. That's why verb has been also used in singular. Means verb of both the sentences has been used according to the number and person of the subject. Like that, write down what is passive voice. Like that, here also when we use the verb of the sentence according to the number and person of the object, it is known in passive voice. As a letter is written by us. A letter is written by me. Write down here. These books are taught by him. Dear students, today keep it till here. Know the definition of active and passive. Some rules will be taught you in next slide. Thank you.